Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. First thing, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I got a lot of videos coming soon. I'm gonna be going to some truck shows here in Dallas, and man, I'm gonna have some really good videos. A lot of burnouts, a lot of custom trucks, man. If y'all can tell right now, I'm in my garage. It's a freaking mess here, but yeah, man. So subscribe, baby. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, so today's video, y'all saw my last video, I told you I was gonna do some stuff to my truck. First thing, while I did the toolbox, right now, I'm gonna go pick up some tires because I just bought some tires for my truck because the tires I had, they're probably like 10-20% left, thread left. So, I mean, I can't be riding like that. So I bought the tires already. They have them at the shop. They had to order them because they didn't have them in stock, but they got them. So we're gonna go get them installed. We're gonna get an alignment as well. And then also the guys from another shop, they called me and they told me they got the side steps already. So we're gonna go pick them up and I'm gonna go ahead and install them. And we're gonna get this thing rolling, baby. So stay tuned.
No, actually, it was, I think it was the last time they got the email, it was two of them, I think Snap, and it was the rest of the Snap.
Because when you everything find it, you
Well,
want
whatever they made,
Amigos, ¿qué piensan? Should I lift my truck like this? I'm liking this setup, man. Oh, fuck. Ese está perrona. Miren? Fuck yeah, man. New lift springs. Check it out, man. Got my pops with me. A la verga. Off-road, they got the Superlight King. Hell yeah. This ain't a 4x4 though. Ooh. Let me show y'all the rims though. They got some American trucks. 35, 1250, 24s. Está la misma llanta que la mía, pero sabes que la diferencia es que estos son 24.
El pedo aquí en la que esta queda muy abajo.
Mira, esto es lo que le toca hacer a la mía. Hacer el corte. Y luego mira, esta es la madre con la... Y luego mira, bueno, esa madre es para esto.
Sí, para la línea.
Ya. ¿Está chingón, no? El problema con estas es de que cuando vas a un drive-thru te rozan. That's the problem with the white trucks, man. Yep, looks nice. What do y'all think? Should I lift my truck like this? Ooh, fuck yeah, look at this shit. ¿No es 4x4, ah? Check out the rims, man. American trucks. 35, 1250, 24s. Texas edition.
Sería bien en aquella.
Check it out, man. I like it. Yeah. What y'all think, man? Should I do my lift kit like that or not? Should I do a 9-inch lift? Fuck yeah. Aquí tiene el block. Check that big ass block with the brand new lift springs. Fuck yeah. Chingona. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm here. Just got my wheels installed. Check them out. Well, actually my tires. That's what I did. I got them installed. There you go. Llantas nuevas. Yep. Just waiting for an alignment. Just waiting for my alignment right now. Guys, I really like this Nerf bar, the sidesteps, but I'm getting rid of it. I'm getting rid of it today. I'm actually gonna go pick up the new set and install it too, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. But here it is. That's how it looks with the toolbox. That's how it looks with the toolbox. Damn, man, I'm really digging this new tires, vatos. What y'all think? Ooh, baby. Yep. I will get it lifted. I am gonna get it lifted even more. I wanna go up at least 10. Yep. Check it out, check it out. It's already starting to rain, so we'll see, man. So for the meantime, I'm gonna wait so we can get that inspection. I mean that alignment day. Yep. Got my running boards, side steps, whatever you want to call them. So gotta go ahead and install them and see how they look, man. They should look pretty good. On this side, I already have one on this side, but I don't know. I'm getting rid of this one because I don't have it on the other side. Este lado ya tiene uno. Ya tiene este de un lado, pero como el otro lado no tiene, pues se la vamos a cambiar. Shit. So guys, I'm just giving y'all a quick look of how it looks before. So there we go, man. Hopefully it comes out good. It's not too hard to install. I got everything that I need right here. Everything that I need, I got all the parts. Let's see, let me check. Yeah, I got everything. All my bolts and everything. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna check how this comes out, guys. And then I'll let y'all know a little bit more about what brand I got and everything once I get them installed. So I'll catch you in a bit. Check it out. Like I'm digging it. I like it. I like it. There you go. I think it looks good, man. Check it out. It's pretty on there, man. Shit. I like it, man. Not gonna lie. It matches my front. Yep. Go ahead and leave a comment and tell me what y'all think. Still gotta go get it detailed. It's kind of dirty right now, but it's okay because I don't use it. It just sits there all day, all week, man. I still gotta get this little door thingy, whatever it's called. I don't know, guys. I'm digging it. Yo. Still gotta get some stuff done. I gotta fix this little corner right here. I gotta get that trim piece. Getting mirrors pretty soon. You know, I got that toolbox that I love my toolbox. Yep. Alright guys.